This is weird. I never filmed with you.
Okay.
I don't like this.
Neither do I.
Bella, move. Okay, ready?
Hi guys, it's Angela. Ew, it's so cringy.
My brother and I are going to be baking, so yeah.
Hi.
This is my brother.
Hi.
His name is
Lala.
We're gonna make jello and cake. So yeah, let's get to it. Dile peace. Peace. There. Again, Bella, again.
So
she needs to get it perfect. Okay, ready? Ready, Bella? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! So I'm going to be making cake. And you're gonna be making jello?
Guillotine design. Guillotine design. Guillotine design.
Guillotine.
Guillotine.
That's how you say it? In English?
Guillotine.
Guillotine?
Whatever.
Guillotine? Okay, whatever.
Guillotine.
And so that's what we're gonna be doing. Okay, I'm gonna leave you on your own. You have to figure out yourself.
It includes boiling hot water.
Oh, for real?
Yes. Oh no.
Oh, darn. This is pretty easy to make.
You already preheated.
Oh, take out the stuff. So we just switched locations. Gonna have to preheat the oven or whatever.
That's just in the background.
Yeah, she's playing. She's gonna bake it.
It's like cringy, like, and I'm like talking to my friends, and I'm talking to Jimmy and Jimmy's like, what the f is your sister saying? I'm like, where?
Wait, who's Jimmy? Johnny?
Johnny, yeah.
Your friends make fun of me when I talk.
Yeah, they do. No, no. It's Alex.
Talks in his sleep a lot. It's weird.
I do?
Yes. Come on. So I just poured all the ingredients in here. Shopping. Oh, we need 1 cup of water. Can you pour a cup of water, please?
Yes.
I'm like, why is it so dry?
Alright.
All I see is the yellow stuff
No.
with the
Putting
powder.
I need boiling hot water. What do I'm trying to organize
It's getting hot now, so keep your distance. Oh, the mix is done. Yeah.
Okay, the corner. I want to spill.
Okay. Whatever. It's just red.
Yeah, it's just red water.
Bella.
So do I put it right here?
Yeah. Or take the. It's okay.
That's getting the crap out of me.
Okay.
10 minutes. Stir one and
So my stuff is ready.
oh, remember that one time when you smashed the cockroach?
Oh my god. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Ew,
yeah.
that was so gross. Okay, let's talk about that. So he was at karate with my dad, and it was just me and Bella at home, and there was a cockroach. And me and Bella got so scared. Obviously, I scared her because I was cuckoo. And so I got up on the couch. And so I was folding laundry. I was like, oh my god, what do I do? And it was like across the living room. And so I just started throwing everything. What did I throw? I think I was throwing shirts first, just to capture it.
Yeah, sure.
And then I was gonna throw something else on top of it so it squishes.
You threw some Boss toys on it.
Oh yeah. And that was on the couch.
I think that looks like a shopping cart. Yeah, you threw that.
Yeah, I threw a bunch of toys that was near me, all the shoes that were near me. I threw everything that was near me. I threw
You threw 2 pillows.
Yeah, I threw the pillows.
Ew.
And then I was like, what can I use to throw without breaking it? So I came to the kitchen and I found some gloves. It was a box like this, but full of gloves. And I went like this, pew, and then in bed. So yeah. So we're just gonna wait until the cake is golden or whatever.
Hello.
So now we're just chilling. We have to wait for the cakes to bake. So now we're done with that. This one definitely looks more golden than this one. But when I pulled out the toothpick, it looked the same, so. I'm definitely gonna eat this whole piece. Oh, I'm making a mess. So it kind of did stick a little. Hi guys. So it's almost 6. Almost our whole cake is gone. It was kind of a fail. It's still good. It was good though. I'm gonna show you guys a Jello.
Eat the Jello.
Bella literally ate this whole thing. She kept asking.
ASMR and relaxation.
It tastes kind of weird. So anyways. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe, guys.
No one does subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, ready?
Hi guys.
Shit.
It's fine. I was just like crap in my face. Okay. Ready? Boy, you sound more enthusiastic.
No, I'm not enthusiastic.
Bella, stop. We're gonna make Jello. We're gonna make Jello. Come closer. You too.
Peace.
Let's hit the whoa as a transition. Ready?
No.
Yes.
No.
Okay, can we dab?
Dab.
Go. Go.
Dab.
You know, we tried. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so whatever. So today, me and my brother are gonna be. Stop it. Me and my brother are going to be baking.
My brother and I.
Okay, whatever. Okay. Oh. Or not.
Cake.
She's excited.
Cake.